Hey everyone out there. Donna again. Sorry I've been kind of quiet for about a week. I have been super busy. But I've had such good news and I'm going to share that with you in a couple days. Had so much going on. But I'm telling you, this is probably the last 2 weeks have been the happiest 2 weeks of, not my life. You know, marrying my husband probably was the best. But I have had some really great things going on. So anyway, I wanted to show you what I got in the mail because I've been so silent. One of these boxes is kind of heavy, but I've got two, not one. This came 2 boxes of bling bling. Look at this. So I'm going to go through the smaller box, and then I ordered multiples of some of these things. So I wanted to show you. And of course I got my handy dandy trusty pocket knife, which every woman needs to have. Needs to have a pocket knife. And I'm sorry if that scares some men or other ladies, but I think they're an essential. So anyway, let's go through. I want to show you how cute they package this up with this cute little bubble wrap. I'm telling you, it's all about presentation with me. I love things like this. And of course, there's a packing sheet. I will put that down there. I got some stinking cute things. These pastels are going to be really big for the spring and the summer. If you've looked around, you're going to see a lot of pastels. And Paparazzi is big right now. I'm following the colors and the trends. I don't know where they're getting this stuff at, but they get some stinking cute things. This is a necklace I ordered. I'll get it out of here. And I'm going to show you one. I bought multiples of this necklace. And something else I've been thinking about doing is, I don't know if you guys are interested or not. Look at this. Isn't that stinking cute? $5 bling bling, ladies. $5 bling bling. And they always send you a pair of earrings with the little necklaces most of the time. I think the Urban Collection is the only time they don't send you a pair of earrings. So, very cute. Oh my gosh, I've got a couple tops that'll just zing with that. So, let me see what else they've got here. I've got multiples. But something I've been thinking, I want to ask you guys something. I signed up for Postable, and that's something that I would put on my link on my videos if I want to sell some of this stuff to you guys. And you just click, and you can click on it. But you can click on the link, and then you put your name and your email address in it. And if you want to buy something, I would have like this item numbered as item number 1. And you would write in the comments below, sold item number 1, and put your first name. So that I know when I get the Postable that shoots to me after you put your name in there, that that's you. Then what I do is I've signed up for a thing called Square. And then I would invoice you at that email address through Square. And then you enter it's all secure that way. I don't see your credit card. You go in and you enter your information, and then you zip it, and it comes in as a payment, and then I do my shipping. That's all that is. I never see your credit card, never. So it just shows it paid, and there you go. But look, I've got several of these. Now what I'd have to do is charge you $5 for the bling bling, plus the tax. And they usually do a $5 flat rate shipping. So what I'm going to do is, if it's something like a small pair of earrings, I mean, I'm sorry, that's not going to be $5. I would probably just put it in a small envelope, and I don't know. I'd have to just charge you the regular shipping. I could find a way to weigh it and send it out, but I'm not going to charge you a full $5 for this. Or what I could do is you just buy multiples. Like, wouldn't that be cute together? Those little earrings and that, because it is fun to kind of layer things together. And then if I did the flat rate $5 shipping, you could buy multiples and get your money's worth. I want to show you this. This is something I thought was kind of cute for ladies, and probably not the gents, to wear at work. If you wear a lanyard, or if you're going to, let's say you're at Disney World, okay, or on a cruise. And you always have to wear those lanyards when you are getting on and off the boat. Everywhere you go, you got to have that little card. Let me show you this. That was secured in here. But here's another one. And I thought this was kind of neat. And I'm not going to go through every piece, but I just want to give you some ideas of what I'm getting. This stuff is lightweight, yet it's really pretty. It's a long necklace. It has a pair of little tassel earrings, but look at the bottom. It has a clip to put a card. So you could wear this at work, or say you're on a cruise, clip your card to that, and you're not walking around wearing one of those stupid, ugly lanyards. I'm going to keep one of these for myself. We have, let's see, a lot of this was, and I showed you the little pearl earrings, and I think that's all that's in this box is multiples of those. So let's go to the next box, because it's fun. And I'm going to get out my knife again. This is a lot of fun. And I have been selling some of this stuff. It's just, the trends and the styles change so much that it just pays just to buy something, unless you've got some really good jewelry that you want to wear all the time. Here's a cute little paper. To switch out with a cheaper jewelry, look at that. Look at that, next to that little cup. This is in looks like a copper. Yeah. Isn't that adorable? I have some necklaces. Oh. I'm excited to see this. Oh, here's like a heart pendant. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that cute? Some of those pastels this spring, that would be adorable. Let's check this one out. I saw a lady who was wearing probably not $5 bling bling on Beverly Hills Housewives. And she had on a necklace similar to this. Yes, she did. It looked just almost like this. And this one is nice and heavy. The earrings, look at that. Aren't those just stinking adorable? And I think that if you go on to the Paparazzi site right now, you can order this necklace. It's one of their staple items. Isn't that adorable? By the way, my consultant number is 447-966. If you go in there and type that in there, you can dig this little thing up in the necklace area. Isn't that adorable? Won't that be cute in the summer? You could wear this with any color. Any color. That is stinking cute. I can't wait to wear this. And it's got a little weight. It's not like it's anything. I mean, this is something I would have paid in a boutique. I would have thrown down $35 for it. I mean, it's adorable. Maybe 50. It's adorable. $5 bling bling. $5 bling bling. But I bought several like this. In fact, I've got this necklace right here, this little black one. This thing is stinking cute. Stinking cute. I got a lot of copper in this shipment. Ooh, oh, they gave me a free gift. This is like a wild one. Wow, wouldn't that be cool? With a wild summer dress. Ooh, cute, cute, cute. Wow, I like that. And it's got some little yellow earrings. That is stinking cute. That was my free gift, because if I purchase so much, they throw something in. This necklace, let's take a look at it. Since we're doing this and ripping open packages, because that's always fun. We like doing that, don't we? Let's see what Paparazzi did with this little necklace. And I bought several of these. If there's one that you really see that you want to buy from me, let me know which one it is, and I'll put up the postable. Look at that. Let me show you the little earrings. Isn't that adorable? And see, they always give you an extender. Most of the time, Paparazzi does. Papa gives you an extender so you can make this longer if you wish. Isn't that cool? Got some weight to it. It is metal. This is not plastic. And again, I would have paid 20 or 30 bucks for this in a boutique. Stinking cute. Let me get that a little closer so you can see it. And here's the little earrings so you can see that too. Aren't those adorable? So anyway, anything else in here that was different? The black necklace, and you can probably see me wearing that in one of my other videos. And that's it for right. No. I also have this one. If you, like I said, if you see something that you want to buy from me, or you can go onto the Paparazzi site and see if you can buy it there if it's not out of stock. Because what they do is they will, at 3 o'clock every day, except Saturday and Sunday, I go online and I go to try to purchase some things. They have all the new releases out, and you have to get on there like a fiend to buy the cool things. And if you don't get it and get checkout within a minute or two, you lose out, ladies. They take things out of your cart. I got paper going everywhere. This is crazy. I'm having fun. But they take things out of your cart. People take them out, and then you have to start all over. And you lose the cool things. Look at this. Oh, my. This is another one of those different type of necklace. It's kind of cool, the copper. And this is more of a smaller one. If you wanted something just smaller, let me show you these are the earrings that they send. It's like a beaten copper or brass. And it has the extender chain. Isn't that stinking cute? I'm going to keep one of those, I think. Anyway. Let me know if you want me to start posting these, and I'll number them, and you can just buy them, and I will ship them to you. And as I get other boxes, I can go out and... My hair is a mess. I can go out and start buying a bunch of stuff, and then you guys can take a look and see what I've got. And if you don't buy it, I've got people who are buying it. So anyway, I'm going to sign off for right now. I am waiting for somebody. Again, I always wait for people. And I will hopefully get a stitch fix pretty soon. So please subscribe to me. And set my box over here. And maybe I'll do another video. I just had such a good last 2 weeks. I slept all weekend. I was so exhausted, but I had so many good things happening. So anyway, you guys take care, and I love you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.